I didn't think it was going to actually arrive today. I got no updated information on the tracking, but damn if it didn't come in. It is time to get this bitch installed. So, let's see what this thing looks like. Packaging's pretty small. I was actually expecting it to be a little bit bigger, but no, it's pretty compact. I mean, my hand's not that much bigger, or it's not that much bigger than my hand. Some stickers and shit. Wipe the actual unit. Tight. Have the keyless entry inside. Now I gotta find the accelerator pedal assembly plug, which should be fun. It is way up there somewhere. I'm gonna have to pop these little tabs out, like that one right there, in order to get to anything up inside there. You know what? I realized I hate climbing under dashes. Shit. It sucks. But hopefully, final product's gonna be worth it. Right, just click in. So let's see where we're going to mount this thing at. just clicked in. So let's see where we're going to mount this thing at. That'll keep it out of the way for the... Alright, got my Velcro on. About to put it on the bottom of this. We'll be ready to go. Running the wire down through the steering column. Just kind of tucks it out of the way a little bit better. That's it. Next we'll be testing this thing out.